guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my thumbnails. So I use this app to do my thumbnails, and this is how it works. You click anywhere on the screen, then this thing's going to appear. You're going to click plain image, then you're going to choose a plain image or any image you would love to choose for your thumbnail, and then you're going to go up here and choose YouTube. Then you're going to pick color, then you're going to color the base of your thumbnail. And you could always play around with colors until you get the one that you like, and you could press apply when done and use when done. And now I'm going to show you the techniques and the benefits that this app provides in writing. So first thing, I'm going to start with writing anything I want. Then I'm going to go click on font to choose a way I want this writing or those words to represent itself. So let's say this one. So you could size it if you want to, and you could move it if you want to, and you could style it. So here by styling, like choosing, first thing we'll learn how to choose a single color, and basically just clicking on any color you want and it will appear. So then when you're done. And then here we could write maybe everyone, choose a different font. Okay. I'm gonna change the color for this one so it could appear. Okay, so here we're gonna go to style after moving it and sizing it, and here we have create color pattern, and we're gonna click on this, and basically it's multiple colors. So you could do whatever theme you want to, whatever color you want to, and you're gonna apply. You're gonna click done, and you could size it. You could move if you want to, and you're just gonna keep typing whatever you want. And this is something else that I'm gonna show you, a technique that you could do after finishing. Choose another font, click style, and here first thing we're gonna choose a single color if you want to. Then we're gonna go here. So basically you could choose a color here and it will just appear like on the words but in a different color, or just keep the same color. And here we're gonna click on shadow, and you could add any shadow you like. And guys, here the first one, you could also do a multiple color one, and here you could add a background if you want to. You could choose how tall it is. It's already, the word is already tall, so it's not showing. And then you could choose how high it is, and you could choose there's corners. Okay, so here we have spacing. You could space between the sentences, and here you could do some line spacing that goes like this. And here you could curve the word, and here you could blend it if you want to, like with all the colors you have. So I'm gonna keep it like I did it, and I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, and I'm gonna move it wherever I want it to be. So this is how to write. This is how to use the benefits in writing. And if you finish your texts and there's nothing you like to write, and the thing is empty or the thumbnail is empty, basically go hashtag and write whatever hashtag you want it, that goes with the video. So I like to do a lot of hashtag. Check my other thumbnails to see what I mean by a lot of hashtags. It doesn't always if I don't have something, but just hashtags also helps the video go places. So here you're gonna click done, and when you're done, you're done. So now you could add pictures from those 3 little dots, and here it says add image. There's some private images, so I am gonna be adding a picture and I'll come back. Okay, so here I got a picture that I posted on my Instagram. Go follow my Instagram at LauraGHAY45 if you do not follow my Instagram. And basically here, alright, we're going to size it if you want to. We're gonna move it, and we could also pick a shade for its appearance. And you could add as many pictures as you want. So I'm gonna try to organize this and show you guys how I organized it and how like I played around to get it to the look that you're gonna see in a second. Okay, so it's not the best, but I'm just showing you guys the benefits. This is not a thumbnail that I'm gonna be using. So always in thumbnails, always play around with colors. Like you could always go back to style. You could click here again and add more or less or change colors. Like you never like know what is like good because you haven't seen all the colors on it. So maybe I'll be adding purple. I'll apply and done. And you could always change the shades, add more pictures, and if you want some ideas, you could definitely go check out my thumbnails, and don't forget to watch the videos too. And I don't usually do an outro by my voice, but this was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and share this video with all your friends and family, and watch my other videos. And I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for watching.